If you are a video editor, you know the importance of going frame by frame in a video. This is especially useful when you are creating animations, analyzing the video, or extracting frames for images. Well, you can do that easily in VLC. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to explain how to go frame by frame on VLC Media Player. To check frames in VLC, there is an easy keyboard shortcut, which is the button E. When you press E, you can see that this next frame option is being displayed at the top right, and you can check the video's frames by repeatedly pressing E. Similarly, you can head to View and then head to Advanced Controls. And when you will notice at the bottom left of your video, you will see a frame by frame option. This will also do the same thing. So by these two options, you can easily check the frames in VLC. If you want to change the keyboard shortcut E, which we have explained earlier, head to Tools, Preferences, and then head to Keyboard Shortcuts. Here search for next frame, which is E, double click on it, and then press a new key or combination that you want to set. And that's how you check the VLC Media Player video frame by frame. If you like these videos, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.